This is such a pinch me moment. Let's open my new embroidery machine. Manual. Oh my gosh, it came with bobbins. You know how painters have their tray with paint? This is like a tray for your bobbins. Like, how cool is that? And look at this hoop. I'm so excited about how big this hoop is. A cover. And if I want to do just a 4x4. Okay, now let's open this up. Ah! Oh my gosh. Look at all that thread. Like, it came with so much thread. Like, no embroidery machine I've ever bought has come with thread. Okay, let me get this out. Wow. I mean, look at all that stabilizer. This is insane. They like set you up with everything you need. I'm so excited. I mean, look at how big it is. Look at how big this screen is. Okay, let's plug this in. I'm so excited to get started with this. I will be posting so many videos about all of the cool features that this embroidery machine has. Thank you so much, Poolin. I am obsessed.